Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get wild mint. This versatile herb is essential for various crafting recipes and health boosts. You'll primarily find it in moist environments, such as marshy lands, along streams, and in damp meadows across the game world. Specific regions like West Elizabeth, New Hanover, and Lemoyne are excellent hunting grounds for this plant. Identifying wild mint is straightforward once you know what to look for. These plants can reach up to 30 inches in height, making them relatively easy to spot. They feature long, slender stems with clusters of short, wide leaves and often display pale purple flowers near the top. To make your search even simpler, activate your eagle eye ability. It will highlight the plants, ensuring you don't miss any. Wild mint is incredibly useful for any adventurer. Its primary use is in crafting the minty prime beef recipe, which provides a massive boost to your health core. You can also consume the leaves raw for an instant, albeit smaller, health core increase. Beyond that, it's a valuable ingredient for many daily challenges and can be incorporated into various tonics, medicines, and elixirs at a campfire. To efficiently gather wild mint, always prioritize areas close to water, such as riverbanks and lake shores. As you traverse these locations, ride slowly and consistently use your eagle eye to highlight the plants from a distance. Since mint is a common and highly beneficial herb, collect every plant you encounter. Remember that plants respawn after some in-game time, so revisit productive spots often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.